The search wasn't going very well at all.
I love being a school librarian. I get to interact with the kids all through their elementary career, from kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade, and watch them grow as human beings and readers.
Something very odd happened.
I call this a grandma auntie job, that I get to love them and read to them, help them pick great books, and send them on their way. And I get to see every single student in our school and build a relationship with them. I'm a constant throughout their elementary career. We reinforce what they're learning in the classroom, but usually it's in a different way. We do a lot of SEL activities and STEAM activities, things that teachers might not have time for during their day.
It is the most rewarding job in the school. There are so many different things you get to be a part of being the librarian. I'm sometimes called the heart of the school. I couldn't have done what I have done for Gomes without my principals, without my staff, but mostly my students.
I live for the interactions with our students. We have those open, honest discussions about all sorts of general knowledge topics. I feel highly impactful, being able to help them navigate those things, become more knowledgeable.
We really, really also believe that this should be a safe space. So at the beginning of the year, we do a lot to try to promote ourselves so that kids who are new, who don't know we exist, but who need that place, can find us. We all have a joke that librarians just die in their positions because nobody wants to retire because it's such a great job.
I love my job. I love my job. I love interacting with the kids and reading to them and helping them build a lifelong love of learning and reading.